3.
You good?
Start.
Hello everybody. Assalamualaikum to our Malay friends, and I guess to everybody else, hello.
Good morning.
Oh yes. Welcome. Welcome. Tacha. Hey. By the way, my name is Johan. You can call me Mojo. This is Othniel. I like to call him Oatmeal because he's thick, you know.
Shaking, yeah.
We promised that we would have more content about NASA space apps from Mitoworld and VTF, and here we are. So this is our best artistic impression. We are technical. Okay, we don't do this. Anyway.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Is it morning when it published this? Okay, hopefully it's morning, but yes.
Morning somewhere.
It is morning somewhere, that is true. What we want to talk about today is how you can get started with the NASA Space Apps International Challenge, right? Now we're going to cover for Kuala Lumpur, obviously. If you watched live stream, which you saw me, by the way, then you should have some idea already, but today we're going to talk about something a bit more realistic. Oatmeal, how would you get started with this?
For me, I think I will go to their socials. If not, then I'll probably Google it out and see what is it all about.
Usually, do you go and check more on socials or how?
I usually get for socials, like maybe I'll just type in NASA Space Challenge or something.
Which ones would you go to?
Oh, sorry, I'm
Millennial signed up for Facebook.
I'm sorry.
Nothing to be sorry about. I mean, there's information on Facebook. Maybe somebody else.
Who doesn't have Facebook? Okay, do you have Facebook?
Do you? Actually, I think a lot of the information is on Facebook because NASA is that generation. But if I'm not wrong, they probably have TikTok. Yeah. They have Instagram. Oh, they don't have TikTok. Oh, that's sad.
That's sad.
Yeah. We're just looking at the NASA Space Apps website. They have Facebook. They have X, formerly known as Twitter. And Instagram and YouTube. That's pretty good. But no TikTok.
We should be on TikTok.
We should, right? Let's say you manage to find something on their Facebook. What is your priority here? Are you going to look for like resources or previous projects? What's your priority to get started?
Probably I'll go to see what it's all about. I mean, am I eligible to enter? I mean, worst I probably think is that I'm not even eligible to enter.
That is true. So check if you're eligible. On the website, actually, it has like an FAQ. So
How do they know?
Huh?
How do they know they can?
Well, I mean, if you go to the website and there's like a nice little green button there right at the top, register today. When you go and register to participate, you must be eligible, right? And they have like a list of questions. How are you eligible, right? Does it cost money and everything? Which the answer is no, it's completely free. You want to do a global challenge and you have to pay? Man.
Can I work in NASA for that?
Maybe.
Okay.
Actually, fun fact. Did you know one of the reasons that they are running this challenge is because they know that in the future they're going to need people to work in like the space industry, but to generate like interest is very difficult. That's why they have this challenge for young folks. And then you build up an interest from now in the future, and you go and do all these projects. They'll be like, wow, this is pretty cool, you know. So then they might be like, okay, let's keep an eye on this guy over here. Last time
now I don't understand. Now it's called NASA Space App.
Oh my god. Where have you been, my guy?
Okay.
Oh
let's get it on. All right. I will join. I'll see if I'm eligible.
That NASA. Oh my god.
All right. Now I know. Let's go. All right. So I'll see if I'm eligible, and I'll see what are the challenges. After all, it's the challenges, right?
Yes. So the challenges are going to be released later this month. For now.
Oh, look at that gravity! I'm falling down. Lower and lower.
Yeah, I'll join you. Okay, we got this. Gravity at work.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, check whether you're eligible, and then when you go to the website and you want to register, you have to choose a local event. Like we are in KL, right? So,
Malaysia.
Yeah. Well, Malaysia. Yes. Sorry. Thank you for that. So you have to search when you go and choose a local event. You'll be able to search for Malaysia. But then when you go to Malaysia, make sure you don't join, unless you're in Alor Setar, then you join the Alor Setar one. If you're in Bintulu or Kuching, then you go and join that one. But the rest of you should join the KL one because that's one we are talking about. Okay? Now, after you join that local event, we highly recommend, okay, on that page where you register, you scroll a little bit down and then it says, do you need help? Okay, the nice gray area. There's resources and guides. Like the resources and guides, they're dope. They have playlists, They have like videos for you to have a look at. You can look at some of the past things also, so you can get an idea. Okay, what do I need to do? How am I gonna crack this?
Yeah.
Would you watch through some of the older videos? You think?
I probably won't even read all of those.
Man,
Sorry.
don't be like this guy.
I'll just click on register now.
Oh my god. Listen,
Read it later.
Listen. It's fine if you want to register first and then watch later, but please go through the virtual boot camp. Don't be like this guy over here. They have tips and tricks and all sorts.
It's too long.
What? Anyway, we hope that you guys will actually go to the website.
Oh yes, please do. Go to the website.
Yes, spaceappschallenge.org. Okay. Register, find a local event,
KL, yes.
Yes. And then go and check out the resources, not like him.
Yes, I know.
All right. Then hopefully we will see you guys again for more content soon, right, Oatmeal?
Yes, very soon.
Very. So convincing. Tell them to follow us.
Please follow us on all our social.
Mitoworld.io.
Don't follow us in real life.